Automation Anywhere just released our .41 release with a bunch of new features. I want to give you my top 5, maybe top 6 favorite features of this release. Coming in at number 1,
Operation Center Custom Dashboards.
Hey, you know what? Keeping on top of operational dashboards is really important as a program leader. Not only managing and monitoring your system is important, but also being able to report on things like SLAs and work that's still in flight. This quarter, we released additional charts and measurements, as well as the ability for you to create custom drag and drop dashboards so you're not dependent on your IT system admin or an Excel spreadsheet every single time you need to report on operational insights. Coming in at number 2,
AI agent governance and traceability features.
you know what? Being able to see exactly what decisions an AI agent has made, what tools that it calls, and in what order gives you the confidence you need to be able to operate goal-based agents in a real production environment. MCP, on the other hand, enables you to expose Automation Anywhere assets and things like AI skills as tools to third-party agents to consume, like those that are built in Agentforce or OpenAI. In either case, governance and traceability features enable you to see exactly what tools were called, every step that a goal-based agent has taken, and pinpoint exactly where decisions are going right or where things are going wrong and may need additional investigation. Coming in at number 3,
Document evaluations in DocAuto.
that was a really good one. Measuring the accuracy of your document automation learning instances was previously a pretty manual process. You run documents, you capture the extracted data, and you try to compare that to the expected results across an Excel spreadsheet. Not anymore. With document evals now built into document automation, you can compare extraction accuracy results document by document or across an entire batch, version by version as you make changes, and you can benchmark all of that against your expected extracted data. Coming in at number 4,
Mozart Orchestrator along with a slew of new connectors.
if you're still building automations that call other automations and everything works off of a schedule, it's time to mature the way that you think about building end-to-end solutions. Mozart Orchestrator got some great improvements in this release, including built-in annotations so you can make things like inline comments, self-validating branches, and the ability to quick add through search. Not to mention 12 brand new native connectors, including Databricks, Slack, Jira, Kafka, Okta, and more. Coming in at number 5,
AI-driven knowledge article updates in Icera.
the intelligence of our autonomous service desk solution through our Icera acquisition continues to improve month over month, release over release. You can now flag outdated or missing KB articles and update your knowledge base to improve future conversational experiences. And you can even pull together similar KBs so the system can hand you a ready-to-review comprehensive draft. Nobody has to write anything from scratch, and you've got all the details you need. Coming in at number 6, because I did promise you a bonus, package updates. You know what? Each quarter, actually, I think every single month, Automation Anywhere is rolling out brand new packages as well as package updates. We talked about a few of these already: Kafka, Slack, Okta, Databricks. Apparently, everything had to have a K this release, but there's also been some new updates to things like our Recorder package to enhance cloning over RDP, new OAuth support for our Salesforce package, and even updates to the Python package and its use in API tasks. So be sure to check out the release notes for those packages. And also, shout out to the documentation team. docs.automationanywhere.com has seen some huge improvements. Search is way better now. It's way easier to read, and it's much easier to find all the release notes that you need. All of that said, drop a comment below and let me know which of these features you are most excited to dig into. I'll leave my comment as well so you know my favorite. Thanks for watching, and go be great.